If your Chrome browser is showing German and you want to change it back to English, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and easy way. Whether you accidentally changed the language, inherited someone else's settings, or just need Chrome to display in English again, this guide will help you fix it in just a few clicks. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. In German, this may appear as drei Punkte. From the menu that opens, click Einstellungen, which means settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings area. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, look for Sprachen. That is the languages section. Click it to open your language settings. On this page, you should see your preferred language list. Under Bevorzugte Sprachen, which means preferred languages, find the option that says Sprachen hinzufügen. This means add languages. Click on it. A search box will appear, so type English into the search field. You can choose either English United States or English United Kingdom, depending on which version you prefer. Once you select your language, click Hinzufügen, or Add. Chrome will now add English to your language list. After that, find English in the list of languages. Next to it, click the three dots menu. From the options that appear, choose Google Chrome in dieser Sprache anzeigen. This means show Google Chrome in this language. Selecting this tells Chrome that you want the interface to display in English. Finally, click Neu starten, which means relaunch. Chrome will restart automatically, and when it opens again, the browser menus and settings should now appear in English. If it does not switch right away, give it a moment and check the browser again after the restart completes. And that's it. You've successfully changed Chrome language from German to English. If this tutorial helped, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy computer guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.